bright, waddling down the hill with ducklings in a line. Quack, quack, they follow, yellow feathers shining. Mama leads the way, what a cheerful sight. Round the grassy meadow under skies so blue, penguins and ducklings having fun together. Hand in flipper they'll dance with you, a family adventure, silly, sweet, and true. Ducklings' journey. Follow the goose white and wise, leading ducklings up the green rise. Quack, quack, they waddle yellow and bold to the pond where the water's gold. Round the hill they dance and play, splashing tails in sunlight's glow. Mama's there with a gentle quack, teaching little ones how to float and duck. 7 little ducklings, second video is the 7th duck, cute tune of the brook. 7 little ducklings waddle up the hill, yellow feathers bright under skies so mild. Quack, quack, they chatter, tails wagging high, what a cheerful sight as they reach the sky. Round the grassy peak they dance and play, splashing paws in sunlight's golden ray. Mama calls them down with a gentle quack, a family splash in the pond below. What fun they'll have! 5 little ducklings. 5 little ducklings waddle in a row on a hill so green with daisies aglow. Quack, quack, they call as the wind blows by. Mama's nearby, watching with a wise eye. Round the grassy mound they dance and play, chasing butterflies in sunlight's golden ray. When the day is done, they'll splash and rest, a family snuggle under skies so blessed. Ducklings' flight. 5 little ducklings waddle up the hill, under skies so blue with daisies in tow. Flap your wings, little ones, let the wind take hold. Mama's there to guide you where the pond sparkles gold. Quack, 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 they leap and they soar, twirling through the air, chasing clouds galore. When their feet touch the water, splash and play, a family adventure under the sun's warm ray. Ducklings dance. 5 little ducklings waddle down the hill, through daisies gold under skies so mild. Quack, 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 they twirl and they play, chasing each other in the sun's warm ray. Round the grassy slope they dance and dip, beneath the tree's shadow giggling as they skip. When the day is done they'll splash and rest, a family cuddle under stars so blessed.
Little ducklings waddle down the lane, past the green tree and the yellow house so plain. Quack, 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 they sing as they stroll. Mama leads the way to the door of their toll. Round the cozy porch they dance and play, splashing paws in puddles left by the day. When the sun sets low, they'll nestle inside, a feathered family snuggled tight, safe and sound. Mother Duck's Little Parade, to the tune of the Grand Old Duke of York. Mother Duck waddles down the hill, leading ducklings through the daisy so mild. Quack, quack, they follow, tails wagging high, a fuzzy parade under the tree's leafy sky. Round the grassy slope they dance and play, splashing paws in sunlight's golden ray. When the day is done, they'll nestle close, a feathered family snuggled safe and warm. Ducklings' sunny stroll, to the tune of the Grand Old Duke of York. A little duckling waddles by the shore, past the wooden house where the sunlight glows. Quack, quack, he splashes through the grass so green, chasing leaves under the tree's leafy screen. Round the pretty pond he dances and plays, giggling as the breeze lifts his fluffy gray. When the day is done, he'll waddle home sweet, to his cozy nest under the moon's soft gleam. Colorful ducklings splash, to the tune of the Grand Old Duke of York. Purple duck leads the way with a splash, blue and red duck little ducklings to the tune of the grand old Duke of York. Two little ducklings waddle through the grass by the river's edge where the flowers pass. Quack, quack, they call as they chase and play, splashing paws in the sunlight's golden ray. Round the meadow they dance, twirling with glee, giggling as they follow the river's free flow. When the day is done, they'll rest by the shore, listening to the water's sweet lullaby forevermore. Black ducks, blue pond, to the tune of the grand old Duke of York. A black duck floats on the blue pond so wide, with red, purple, and orange fishies by her side. Quack, quack, she splashes, waves ripple and shine as the little fish dart round her in a twine. Round the lily pads they play, chase and dive, giggling as the sun lights up their brave endeavor. When the day is done, they'll drift off to sleep, aquatic friendship under the moon's soft gleam. Blue ducks splash to the tune of the grand old Duke of York.